Edmonds Staff. In a world where almost any piece of information in human history is available with just a few taps on a phone, then why is it so hard to find stuff on the staff portal? Enter the new Staff Workspace. Located at the URL staff.edmonds.wednet.edu, or where the link to the staff portal used to lie, lives a new universe of easier to find district material. To log in, enter the URL staff.edmonds.wednet.edu or click on the link where the old staff portal link was, and then click the big red button, Sign in with Google. One thing to remember when you enter is that this site is still under development. Please give us feedback about what's helpful and what's missing. Tell us what you think. Some things to notice about this site is that there are buttons and quick links that have been tailored to what staff use. Here is a row of buttons that we find could be very useful to many different staff members. Click on them, explore, see what's out there. Under quick links, the same thing. Many very useful links that were before often difficult to find are there out in the open for you to use and to access. Furthermore, some spaces will be added as the website continues to be developed, including the office space, which has specific links for office staff, and the teacher toolbox that has helpful and useful information for teachers in all areas across the district. This has just been your quick introduction to the Edmonds Staff Workspace. Thank you so much for watching.